Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, guess what? It's finally the annual Captain Drone sticker giveaway. Yes, I'm giving away free stickers to eligible viewers. So yes, you can get your own stickers, Captain Drone stickers, for free mailed directly to you no matter where you live in the world. So I've got 5 sticker designs to give away. Let me show them to you. First off, we have your classic Captain Drone sticker. Then we have the oval version. Next, we have the very shiny version. Then we have the transparent version that you would place over a solid color and you will see white lettering. And finally, we have the most popular version. This is the version I stick on almost all the RC items I own. For example, you'll see such stickers on pretty much all the drones I own, as well as RC gear such as radios and goggles, and even RC planes. Now, please note that all my stickers are made of vinyl, so that means you can stick them on any sort of flat surface or any surface that is not flat and make them wrap around the contours of the surface you place it on just by taking any sort of heat source, heat gun, warm up the vinyl, and then just stick it on anything and it will stretch into place. It's that simple. So how many stickers am I giving away? Well, last year I had a budget of 1,500 Canadian dollars to buy stickers and to buy stamps and envelopes to send everything out. This year I have a budget of 3,000 Canadian dollars. So that means there's a good chance if you want stickers, you're probably going to get them this year if you didn't get any last year or the year before, because I only give these away once a year. And I give away a max of 3 in a package. And when I say package, I mean envelope. Now, every year I always get more requests for stickers than the amount of stickers I can give out. So this year, even though I've doubled the amount of stickers I have and envelopes and stamps and everything else up to 3,000 Canadian dollars, I'm still going to run out. So what I've done this year is I've made this request for stickers to only last 48 hours. Yes, 2 days. You have 2 days to request the stickers, and then you can't request any more stickers. So when can you request these stickers? Well, if you're watching this video, now is a good time to request them as long as this date below has not passed. So this is the end date below. You can't request the stickers past this date. So now you're wondering, how do I get these really cool Captain Drone free stickers? Well, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is look directly below this email, hit the down arrow if you see a down arrow or a show more option, and that takes you into the details for this video. And in that location, I have all the instructions. Essentially, all you have to do is answer 4 questions. And 3 of the questions are, what's your name, what's your country, and what's your address? The other question is just a silly little question that's going to take you to a website. You click on the link, and the answer is right there to the question I asked. Just in case you missed it at the start of this video, I'm sending these stickers out worldwide, so I don't care what country you live in. Stickers are coming to your area. And speaking of the mailing, all of this is handled by my wife, Nikki. She handled last year and the year before. So when you receive your envelope with the stickers inside and you look at the handwriting, it is not my handwriting. It is my wife, Nikki's, and she picked the stickers that you probably requested if you had any desire for any particular stickers. Now, even though below this video are all the detailed instructions, every year people still send me the request to the wrong email address, so I don't action it. If you send me an email to Captain Drone, I'm not actioning it because I want nothing to do with this. My wife is handling it. So the email address you have to use is this one. Send all your details, the answers to the 4 questions, send them all to this email address. You don't have to write it down because right below this video, it says it again, exactly the same thing. So there you have it. Make sure you enter the contest before this end date. Make sure you read all the directions and instructions below so you do everything correctly and use the correct email address because my wife will be checking that one. And then you should have stickers showing up at your door by Christmas time or shortly after. So with all that said, I say have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all the other great stuff, and Happy New Year. Yeah, there's still more videos coming. Yes, I will be going on some vacation time, so you might see less and less Captain Drone videos for a little while. But for now, there's still quite a few in the queue that I'll be posting. So yeah, there's probably plenty coming up. So for now, I say thanks for watching this. Get your free stickers and catch you in a future video. Bye!